Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Subansiri Hydroelectric Project. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the NHPC, that is National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, has announced that the 2000 megawatt Lower Subansiri hydroelectric project along the Assam-Arunachal Pradesh border will start operation next year by August. Now let's discuss about Subansiri hydroelectric project. Subansiri Lower Hydroelectric Project is the biggest hydroelectric project undertaken in India so far and is a run-of-river scheme on river Subansiri. The project is located near North Lakhimpur on the border of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The nearest rail head is Nagaon and nearest airport is Lilabadi or Dibrugarh. The estimated annual energy generation from the project is 7,421 MU in a 90% dependable year. It consists of a concrete gravity dam which will be 116 meter high from the riverbed level and 130 meter from the foundation. The project is being developed by the state-run NHPC, that is National Hydropower Corporation. It will be the single largest hydroelectric plant in India when completed. The project is expected to be completed in 2023. Now moving on to Subansiri River. The Lower Subansiri HEP or Hydroelectric Project is designed as a run-of-the-river power project on the lower reach of Subansiri River, that is a tributary of river Brahmaputra. Subansiri River or Gold River originates in Tibet Plateau and enters India through Miri Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. It is the largest tributary of river Brahmaputra. Now let's understand the controversy. Subansiri hydroelectric project was kept pending due to local agitation over several dam safety and administrative issues involved in the implementation of the project, like Subansiri hydroelectric projects contravenes the 1980 Brahmaputra Board Act by transferring the work of Water Resources Department of Subansiri Basin from the Brahmaputra Board to the public and private sector. An increased seismic threat level to the dam assessed by Indian Institute of Technology or IIT at Roorkee. Now moving on to the gravity dam. Gravity dam is constructed from concrete or cement, unlike mud and masonry stones used in embankments. It is designed to hold back water by primarily utilizing the weight of the material alone to resist the horizontal pressure of water pushing against it. Now it's time for the question. Consider the following statements. 1. Subansiri River is the largest tributary of river Brahmaputra. 2. Gravity dam is an embankment-like structure constructed from mud and masonry stones. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.